Hey guys, it's Dwayna, aka Glamazon1026, and welcome to the Glam Room. Today we are going to be reviewing and demoing the Pat McGrath Mothership 5 Bronze Seduction palette because I just got it and I could not wait to share it with you guys. This is my first time using it. This is going to be my first impression, so you're going to be seeing it as I am seeing it. We're going to be experiencing this for the first time together. It's going to be a little bit fast forward in the middle when I'm doing the demo because I had a little bit of trouble, but it doesn't matter the journey, it just matters the destination because we arrived here and this is cute, okay? So I'll see you after the intro so that we can get right into the Pat McGrath palette. Stay tuned. So I'm really excited about this review and demo today because I'm reviewing the Pat McGrath Mothership 5 Bronze Seduction palette. I really wanted to get myself something nice for my birthday because I've had kind of a rough year and I just said, you know what, you deserve it. My birthday lined up with the VIB sale with Sephora. So like, you know what, I'm gonna get it for the VIB sale. But then on the 26th, they were sold out. So I had to get this from the Pat McGrath website. Thankfully, I mean, I was really sad that I didn't get to use my 20% off. If I had waited for it to come back in stock at Sephora, I wouldn't have been able to get the 20% off then anyway. So I just got it then because I had the money, because it was my birthday and I had gotten paid. So I was just like, we're gonna do what it do, okay? Anyway, look at this packaging. This packaging is absolutely phenomenal. It's so beautiful. I don't know what this is. It's like a lady head with jewels and stuff. I don't know. It just looks opulent. It looks like it cost a lot of money to make this little case here. And it is reinforced on the inside. It is, it comes in a little thing, a little cardboard thing, and the cardboard thing has things that stick out on the side so that when it's shipping, it doesn't like bang around and, you know, your really expensive eyeshadows just break up. This palette retails for $125. There are 4 more that she released before that, plus she had some of the mini palettes. It has 10 shades and they are just gorgeous. Just look at this packaging. It's so nice. It's so sleek. It's heavy. It feels like a lot went into this packaging. It doesn't feel like she just went in and just like put her eyeshadows in anything. It's hefty. It's like, it feels like it weighs like a pound. You open it up and you have this really nice beveled mirror inside, and then you have 10 of the most beautiful shades that I have seen in a palette in a long time. There are 1, 2, 3 mattes, and then 1, 2, it looks like 3 glitters, and then these 4 right here at the end, these 4 over here, they look like they are some weird texture. I don't know what kind of texture it is, but they look amazing. They look almost foiled, and I cannot wait to use them. It comes with the names of the shadows. They're on a separate sheet that was outside of the packaging. That kind of annoys me, but I mean, I honestly would not want to put names on this and mess it up. So I can understand why she did that. You get a pass, Mother Pat. You get a pass, okay? So let's get into some swatches and then we will do the eyeshadow demo at the end just so that you can see how they pick up and how they pay off and all that other kind of stuff, how they blend out and all that. I'm gonna swatch all 10 shades. This is the first time I've ever swatched a full palette for you guys, but I think because this palette is so expensive, I feel like I owe it to you guys and I owe it to myself to swatch all of them and, you know, not just do, I mean, I'm still gonna do my bootleg swatches, but you know, that's neither here nor there. We're just gonna leave the, you know, the real thing to the end when I put them on my eyelids. Okay. All right, so here we go. This is Skin Show Divine Glow, Guilty Pleasure, Entrapment, Rose Gold 005, VR Fire Opal, Extreme Aubergine, Disobedient, Bronze Blaze, Blitz Flame, and Astral Luna Gold. I'm really excited to use these shades and I think they swatched really nicely on my skin. I'm like really excited to get this show on the road. So without further ado, let's zoom in. We can see how these colors are going to look on my eye. Okay, so we're gonna do Entrapment, which is this one right here. I'm gonna use that as my transition shade. Okay, girl, okay, I see you. Yeah, let's go. I forgot to tell you guys that my face is already, my eyes are already primed. I used my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Caramel and then set it with my Black Radiance Loose Setting Powder. And I did something different with my eyebrows today, so we have more space. So right now it's looking like, even though this in here is kind of like a warm, ruddy brown, it is not translating that shade on my eyelid. And that might not be the palette's fault, it just might be I didn't use a bright enough base, or I don't know, just something else. It doesn't necessarily have to be that, you know, the shades aren't true to color. But I am noticing that it reads darker on camera and in real life than it does in the pan. So I'm going to keep using the Morphe M433 and I'm going to pick up Disobedient, which is this one right here. This is this deeper brown right here. So the same thing is happening with this matte. It is getting darker as I'm blending it out. I'm not necessarily mad at it. It's just this is kind of like a grayish brown and it doesn't look gray, or like it doesn't look grayish brown in the pan. I'm not mad at it. I'm still not mad at it, but I was expecting this to be a little bit warmer. That's what it is. I was expecting it to be warmer. I'm gonna try it out again with a different base, and I'm gonna see if that works better for the color payoff. So I'm going to take the Makeup Geek Define Crease Brush with Extreme Aubergine. I'm gonna put it on the outer and inner corner of my eye and into my crease so that I can give this eyeshadow look a little bit more depth. Ooh, I am warm. Who told me to put on a sweater under all of these lights? I'm hot. I'm about to put down P. Louise eyeshadow base in the shade 0.5 so that I can get this halo eye popping. I decided I was gonna do a halo. I haven't done a halo in a long time. Our next step is to go into Blitz Flame right here, picking it up on just a flat shader brush. I'm gonna put that on the outer edges of the halo. I'm gonna pick up Rose Gold 005 to put in the center of the halo. To finish the top of the eye, I'm gonna go on the bottom with Extreme Aubergine and Entrapment just to blend it out and kind of completely pull the whole look together. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I really like this. I think it came out cute, even though I was a little bit scared in the middle because I was like, what kind of colors am I using? But I had a vision and I stuck to it and it was cute. This palette right here, I don't want to like cop please because I paid so much money for it, but I really like it. Like, I really like the way the pigments blend out. I think they're all nice and buttery. One criticism that I do have is that the colors, they blend out darker than what it looks like in the pan. So especially like the mattes, especially these two mattes, these blend out darker than they actually are. I expected this to be a little bit more closer to my skin tone, and it was like a dark brown, and this was even a darker brown. They don't pick up, they don't have the same redness to them on the skin as they do in the pan. Other than that, I really like the shades. I really like the palette. I love the glitters. Now, that is one thing I will say. I should have used some type of base for these glittery shades here. So Rose Gold, the Opal one, and Luna Gold. These three you need some type of base because they are, even though they're pressed, they're kind of like glitters, and so they will flake and you will have fallout. So next time I use them, I will use some type of glitter base or mixing medium, some type of adhesive so that it will stay on my lid. Do I think you need to go out and spend $125 on the Pat McGrath Bronze Seduction Mothership 5 palette? No, I don't, because it's so expensive. So if you have like extra $125 laying around and you know it's not gonna, you know, come out of your grocery budget, or, you know, sending your kids to after school program, then yes, you can get it. If you have that expendable income, you can definitely get it. Can you live without this? Yes, you can live without this. Do I really like it though? Yes, I really like it. Will I be using it in the future? Yes, I'll be using it in the future. I really want to try some other color combinations with this. I do think that I need some different mattes though, especially since these blend out so dark. I said all of that, and I feel like if you're spending $125 on a palette, you should not have to use any other mattes except the mattes that are in the palette. Anyway, Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this review and demo. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, be sure to leave them in a comment below. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel and click the thumbs up button on this video if you're liking what you're seeing. Also, hit the little bell on the side so that you can be part of the Bang Bang notification gang. That means that you'll be able to see exactly when I upload every time I upload. Thanks again for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.